Here we have a mold remediation job. Got the containment up. You can tell it's got pretty good negative pressure. It's pulling the plastic in. In here we had a washer and dryer. There was no leak from the plumbing. I'll show you where the problem existed, but up above we did have a roof leak that caused some mold damage up here. So you can see even the plywood is pretty dark. Lots of mold. They had a ventilation fan here that was disconnected. They fixed it, but it really isn't fixed quite properly. It's not going through the roof like it should. It's just underneath the vent. So that's not going to work in the long run. Some moisture was found all the way down. There's mold on the walls right there. Take you downstairs here. Got our air scrubber running, pulling negative pressure out. More contained off the living room there. So here's the problem. Here's the vent. Dryer vent line became disconnected. And all that moisture and warm air has caused mold to grow all throughout the area. So you can see mold on that sheet, OSB back there. We haven't got into this part down here, but we're assuming that there's a lot of moisture underneath this area. See, there's some mold right there. Even in the wall cavity right there, you can see some light speckling of mold on the drywall, so that's going to have to come out as well. Over here in the stairway, we've got high moisture. In fact, it's wet to touch. You can see the back of the carpet here. It's got some water stains on it. Some rusty nail holes. You can see the amount of moisture in there. So that caused the problem. Just this one disconnected pipe. And you can see that they used duct tape here. Duct tape, even though it says should be made for ducts, it actually is not designed to hold ductwork together. You have to use foil tape or screws or some kind of better attachment. But when you use duct tape, it disintegrates over time and allows this kind of problem to happen.